everybody, welcome to Palisades Park Library. Today I'm going to show you our really cool new snowman stuffed animal craft we're going to do this week. So the most important thing about this craft is you have to register in advance. So if you aren't registered, go to palparklibrary.org or give us a call at 201-585-4150 to see if you can still get on the list, okay? So after you register, we're going to let you know when you can come by the library and pick up this. Let's see what's in here. I've got stuffing, and I've got, a wishing heart, star, and most importantly, I've got our snowman friend that we're going to be making. He's looking a little floppy right now, but we're going to make him really cute, okay? So, whenever you look on the back of your snowman, you're going to see there's a special pouch here with a zipper on it. It's going to already be open. Oh, yeah, you can stick your hand in there. So that, as you probably already guessed, is where we're going to put our fluff. This fluff bag is really hard to open though, so you're going to need some scissors. Oh. Wow, it's getting bigger. Okay, now you get to decide how fluffy or floppy you want your snowman to be, okay? But the most important thing is it's better to start off with his legs and his arms and his head first before you do the rest of the body. Ooh. It's a little tough to get in there. I'm gonna do my best, okay? Thankfully, I like a really floppy stuffed animal. He's really good for hugging that way. Oh, there we go. We got one big foot ready. The other thing I wanted to let you know about is that once you make your snowman, because you registered, you're going to get an invite to a special Zoom storytime. We're going to read a really cool book about snowmen together. I think you're going to really like it. And I think your new snowman pal is going to really like it too. Doo-doo. Let's see. Okay, well, I really liked how his legs look, so let's try to get some stuffing in his head now. This is a lot easier than making a snowman outside, where my hands get all cold. This snowman's gonna keep us warm. Oh, it's already looking kind of cute. I'm gonna add some fluffing to his arms so he can give really good hugs. And then, he's gotta have his left arm too, right? I think I need a little bit more in his body. Okay, let's give him his chubbiness check now, right? Oh, he's looking pretty good, but I think I could use a little more fluff. You can tell he's getting a lot of fluff when it's harder to get my hand in there. All right, I really like this kind of fluffy snowman. So the next step is we're going to turn our friend over on his back. We're going to take our star and we're going to make a really special wish on it, okay? Okay, I made my special wish. I don't want to tell anyone what it is, right? It's easier to come true if you don't tell. And then I'm going to put it inside my friend. I like to put it right where the heart goes. Okay, you're looking good. Oh, get that leggy all stuffed. Okay, the next thing we do is you're gonna find the string that's on your zipper, and this is really important. After you pull this string and close the zipper, it's really hard to add more fluff. So make sure you're really happy with how your snowman looks before you pull the zipper, okay? But I'm pretty happy, so I'm going to take my zipper, and zip it up. And then, so my snowman friend won't come undone, I'm going to take scissors and cut off the string. Your string's probably going to be white on your snowman, so if it doesn't look just like mine, that's okay. And then I'm gonna tuck the pouch in, and then I'm gonna take the Velcro that's on the outside, and I'm gonna push it together. And I have a snowman friend. Now inside the bag, you also have a birth certificate. So I think it'd be really cool if you gave your snowman a name and filled out all this stuff so you remember the day you made him, or her. I'm not sure what my snowman's gonna be called yet, but tune into our story time on Friday, December 18th at 3 o'clock to find out, because this guy's definitely gonna be there with me, okay? Thank you so much for making a snowman with us, and please send me a picture of yours when it's finished. I can't wait to see him. Thank you.